So we have that they want to be with you. We have that they want to love you. We have that they want this connection with you. And they know that. This isn't something they don't know. They're fully aware of that. However, that's triggering to them. I know you're not in contact at the moment, but they are coming forward here with this this energy of the Knight of Cups. It's good news is coming in. They're coming in to sweep you off your feet. Now, what's interesting is that the Three of Pentacles is underneath that. So we know that this relationship needs working on. If you haven't watched part one, go and watch part one. This is a relationship that does need working on, because you both have states of trauma. You are both triggered in this connection. We have strong earth energy and strong water energy that's coming through. So Pisces, Scorpio, Cancer, and Virgo, Capricorn, Taurus. I do feel that there is a soulmate connection here, and I do feel that there's a lot to learn from this. And your person also comes through as if they've got, maybe there is some addiction around this somewhere as well. And that is a coping mechanism for them. Or there has been in the past, and they're trying to get through that. But I'm definitely feeling like what's going on with them is they're going through a huge change, and in order to do that, they've had to pull back from you, and they've ghosted you. To you, it seems like they've ghosted you. To them, they are trying to figure everything out, so they've pulled back. Your person around them has a very toxic, self-sabotaging energy. And again, I will say this, you don't have to, from this message, you don't have to think, well, I want them back or I want to be involved, because at the end of the day, you don't have to. I feel like this person is going to come in and speak their truth. They're going to be honest about what's going on, because they've been thinking about you like they see you as this divine feminine energy. So they see you as somebody who has their together. Do you know what I mean? Like someone who they feel safe around, someone who is not only like a mother aspect, but there's this beautiful healing, calming energy about you. And they want to come in with this new beginning. Look, there's huge change. They are ending out a cycle right now. They are ending out this cycle, and a huge new change, new beginning is coming in. Because the Judgment card is saying, you know, this is an elimination of misery. This is a changing of the chapters. It's beautiful awakening for them. Harmony and balance is being restored. You deserve better, by the way. So having strong boundaries in this is a good thing. Just because you know all this doesn't mean that you then go and say, bow down and say, do what you want. It's okay. I get it. You're traumatized, because you got trauma too. We all have, right? Get a therapist. So, but what I'm saying is, they want to. So you having healthy boundaries isn't going to put them off. If anything, it's going to bring them closer to you. So this collective, you may have recently talked about traveling, or you did do some traveling together. You may even live across seas from each other. There might be a connection there across a body of water. I'm definitely seeing why they give me the number 4. A huge 4 just come into my mind. Oh my God, I just realised, and I woke up at 444 with this message, looking at this person. I can see hats, someone wearing a hat as well. I can see like a yellow robe or a yellow dress. Interesting. Yeah, I know. And the thing is, this person has lied to you as well, and I feel like because of that, it's given you less hope in the message that I'm giving you, and it's given you less hope in them. I knew this would come out, the devil. Yeah, there's some kind of not only trauma experience with them, but some kind of self-sabotaging way, and it could show up as addiction. I just want you to know that there's going to be a change soon, a huge change. Whether this be you deciding to fully let go of that connection and say, I'm done, this will be very healing for you, a lot of lessons to be learned, or whether you say, do you know what, I'm still going to carry on with what I'm doing, but I'm open to hearing them out if they're willing to get help. Because I believe at the end of this, you're not a psychiatrist, you're not there to heal them, but you could be there to support them while they're healing. That's absolutely fine, but as long as they're recognizing they need to do the work and they're taking the steps to do the work. The thing is, I do see this relationship working out. There are people watching this video right now exactly in this situation, and it's not going to be for everybody, because people cling on to these videos sometimes and the message isn't for you. So but I know that there is people watching this video and your relationship is going to work out. The person is going to do the work that needs to be done. I have seen couples that have worked through stuff and got stronger, and this is one of those readings. I do see a beautiful future for you both. I also feel like someone passed, and it's a masculine energy, and it had quite an effect either on you or them. They're showing me someone from the other side who's passed over. And you could be seeing angel numbers. You're seeing the synchronicities from the universe. You may be even Googling angel numbers to say, what does this mean? Because I'm seeing this. Because you know there's a deeper connection than what is just coming through. I feel like the person coming through has darker hair. And I'm seeing, I can't quite make out the numbers, but someone has a number tattooed on them, or numbers, something that means numbers, on their body. For some of you, definitely. I'm just pulling things through from my guides, and for some of you, I'm definitely seeing New Year's Eve plans being cancelled, or you were supposed to be spending New Year's Eve together and that got changed. There's some significance around the New Year's Eve situation.